Hi all, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to explain about our presentation on the project reconstructing Wechaty landing page with value proposition for Google Season of Dogs 2021 by Sajen and Arnab. So before we see the presentation, see the presentation, we can take a quick look into table of content. So we have divided this presentation into three sections, namely about the project, implementation, and the project goals. The first section about the project describes the problem and solution for this project. The second section is implementation, which explains a detail of how we are going to approach to implement this project. The third one is the project goals, what are these project goals and how we are going to what are the outcomes of this project, as well as benefits to the Wechaty community from this project of new landing page. So before we see the implementation of our project, let's see what is Wechaty about. So Wechaty is a robotic process automation SDK for chatbot makers, which helps to create a bot in just few lines of code. For example, in Wechaty, we can create a chatbot in just 6 lines of code in JavaScript. Wechaty can be implemented in many different programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Rust, Golang, and many more. So Wechaty also can be implemented in popular messaging platforms like WhatsApp, WeChat, as well as Jitter, and so on. So the developers and the contributors of this Wechaty community is from all over the globe, and this Wechaty is an open source project. So what are we working on? We are working on to improve this landing page of to improve this new Wechaty landing page. To improve this Wechaty landing page by providing a refined design to this landing page, as well as an effective headline, and making an attractive, beautiful CTS, which is call to actions for this new landing page, and by highlighting the value of proportions of Wechaty, as well as the key benefits of what Wechaty offers when compared to other market competitors in this field. So this improved Wechaty landing page will impact the Wechaty community by decreasing the bounce rate of the new landing page, and it also increases the duration and the page views of our new landing page. So this results our project into a success. So about this project aims to improve, reconstruct the Wechaty landing page with value proposition by delivering a refined design and a best-in-class design for the new Wechaty users. So most of the users won't scroll all the way down to the bottom if they went into any website. So when a user enters into a landing page, the first 15 seconds is the key to grab the user's attention. So for this, we are going to place all our contents like CTAs, as well as value proposition, benefits of Wechaty, and other things, and other headlines and other stuff about the full, which means placing all the way top everything at the top of this landing page by giving enough amount of space to breathe for this contents. So the present situation of the landing page of Wechaty. Most of the new users comes to Wechaty by landing page on its home page, which is currently unfortunate that landing page is too simple and the users cannot understand what Wechaty is about, and it lacks a lot of informations basically. So this leads to a problem, making users to get out from the Wechaty, and making hard for users to making new users to understand what Wechaty is all about. So from this Arnab Saha is going to take on this presentation. Thank you.
Okay, now I will be talking about the implementation of the landing page in detail, and also the approach of implementation. Set campaign goal. Every great landing page starts with a clear and measurable goal. This will help to figure out what element we need on Wechaty landing page, how to write a copy and template we should use. Then write a copy. Before designing the landing page, it's usually better to start with a copy first. The Unbound's conversion intelligence machine learning model has proven that landing page copy is twice as important to conversion rate as design. The third thing is nail the headline. Since we got only less than 15 seconds to grab a visitor's attention on our landing page, so we will make sure that the headline of it will be memorable, clear, and solves the problem of Wechaty visitors care about the most. And the fourth and main point is value propositions. The project's objective is to reconstruct Wechaty landing page with value proposition. A value proposition should encourage users to do business with you. It should be convincing and answer all user questions. It should make a strong first impression and prospective users. The fifth is focus on benefits. Visitors want to hear about how Wechaty solves its problems, how Wechaty product will help make their lives easier, and how this will benefit them. We will be thinking of the benefits from the ideal of it and all in the landing page of Wechaty. Okay. The next is keep simple. In general, landing pages tend to convert better by complicated business job. Keep the sentence short and try to cut out the unnecessary bits of Wechaty's new website. Don't actually need on the page. The next is craft CTA. The CTA or call to action is what we want our visitors to actually do on our landing page. This can take the shape of a form or a click through button. The last thing is a design. The design of the page will focus on supporting the Wechaty objective and nothing else. This also means the web design will be clean and simple, so as to ensure a smooth browsing experience and not to compete for the viewer's attention. Next slide, please. Okay, our project goal is to include value propositions which will encourage new developers to try the product, and secondly, improve the website layout to make it more appealing, and to describe Wechaty's benefits and what differentiate it from the rest in an appealing manner. Next slide, please. We have divided this in three main stages for this reconstruction of the website. The first stage consists of the landing page, we will be making the landing page, and it is any web page that a consumer can land on. It's usually a standalone page distinct from your home page or any other pages. It serves a single and focused purpose. A good landing page is very essential as it provides information about the product or services. The project's objective is to reconstruct a Wechaty landing page with value propositions. It should make a strong first impression on prospective users. Questions such as why your potential product will be more value to the user than similar products, how the product is an improvement over the existing ones, and the benefits the customer can expect are included. Second stage is after recreating, we will see what other improvements we can make. It's easy to test and optimize for a high conversion rate by seeing the results. We will scale up the production by duplicating the page and creating new variant. We will be also trying out new elements for visual content. Stage 3. It consists of the deployment of the landing page and analyzing the results and feedbacks from the users of Wechaty about the new landing page. Next slide, please. Okay. After the recreation of landing page, we are expecting that pages per session increases by 50% and also the bounce rate will decrease significantly. Okay, this is our proposal for the recreation of the landing page for Wechaty under Google Summer of Docs 2021. This is Arnab, Saha, a front-end developer and graphic designer, with my teammate Sajen Sarvajith, a full-stack developer and machine learning enthusiast. Thank you.